This is the plaintiff, Larissa. She says she purchased some beds for herself and her kids from the defendant's store. And when they were delivered, they weren't the ones she ordered. She complained to the delivery guys who refused to take the beds back. She's lost faith in the defendant and wants her $4,000 returned. This is the defendant, Alex Lasker. He says the beds that were delivered to the plaintiff were not the right ones, and he apologized for the mix-up. He told her the beds she originally ordered were delayed at the factory and told her she could wait or he could give her different ones instead. All the plaintiff kept saying was she wanted a refund, but he doesn't give cash refunds. So here we are. He's accused of bunking up a bed order.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket. The plaintiff bought some beds for her and her kids and says they weren't what she ordered, but she can't get her money back. Now, the defendant says he was going to make good, but she was unreasonable. It's the case of you're bad in bed.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Okay, Larissa, you've asked to be referred to only by your first name. You are suing Sleep Mart Incorporated, represented here by Alex Lasker, the owner, and for $4,000 that you want returned to you in furniture that you purchased because, according to you, the stuff is too big or different from what you ordered. Okay, yes. Talk to me.
That day, I went to buy the two beds, separate beds for my kid.
For twin beds?
Kids. Yeah, two kids. And another bed, which when I chose it, that he didn't have a good beds, and he gave me from the computer. I saw the picture in the computer, and I chose it that bed. And when they bring it in the house, the Spanish guy said, "Don't come in the room. We need to set up. Don't bother us. We're gonna be doing our job." I said, "Okay," and they set up everything. I see two beds for the kids is not the same
Not the
bed.
beds you ordered.
Not the beds
Okay.
he ordered.
So you, in your room, you notice that the two twin beds, the beds that they put in are not the beds you ordered. And then
Yes.
what about your furniture? Did you notice?
My furniture also, when I saw it's high, this much high, and I have to put the stool and I have to go in the bed.
Meaning it's a high
It's
bed?
high
But
this much.
what did you think you were buying?
I didn't know it's gonna be. It's in the computer. They have
Right,
a
but in the computer they have dimensions and they have heights and they have all that. Did you check all that to see if it would fit in your room?
You know, he showed to me. He said to me, "Nice bed, nice." I see it's, in the picture is good, but
Okay.
I cannot read and write. I'm sorry.
But before you selected the furniture, did you measure it to make sure it would fit in the room?
It is fits.
Okay,
It
so
is
what's
fits.
the issue?
The issue is it's high, and the drawer is not opening and closing. If it's
Okay,
closing,
do you have a video?
Yes.
Okay, let me see the
And I
video.
have pictures. Thank you.
I'd like you to come over here. We haven't even met yet, but come over here because that way I don't have to play it again. Hold on.
This is closet. It can't really open, and when it closes, there's a whole crack. And when we got it, there's scratches over here. And then when it starts from here, it comes a big crack. Like over here, it doesn't close.
I think what she means is that
And
that
I
part
tried,
doesn't close.
doesn't
One
close.
side closes and the other doesn't.
Here, doesn't really works. And over here, the bed is blocking the other. Yeah, the
That's
mattress
problem.
is covering the other closet, and also, like, it's hard for us to jump, so we always use this chair to get up, and we sleep on the bed and go down.
You just have the mattress on the wooden thing?
Yeah.
This is closet. It opens good, but when you close it, there's a huge crack over here, and then over here, it starts closing, and then it starts opening a big crack right here, the whole part. And also over here, go straight, and then there's a big hole.
How old's your daughter?
She's 11.
She's going to be a lawyer.
Here
You heard it here first.
Thank you.
And it's very hard to open the closets and close them.
I think she means the drawers.
Still empty.
So
It's high, and I cannot go. I have to put it in the chair, and I have to go up on this. When I have to jump.
I think we got it. All right, so go ahead and go back. I'm sorry. All right, so I presume that as soon as you walk in and you see how high it is and that the two twin beds are wrong, you say something immediately. The drawers you don't even realize until you start opening them, but everything else is obvious to you. So do you say something to them?
Yes.
And what do they say?
They said our job is to bring it, to set up, and that's it. We have to leave. And he said to me, he pointed the papers, sign it here. I said, no, I don't gonna sign.
So you didn't sign?
No, I did sign because he didn't want to leave it from the house.
Well, I mean, then you call the police and you make them leave. But what did you sign?
I don't know. I was scared. I was scared because he was screaming at me, and he was saying to me, I have to sign.
Okay, and so you signed that it was delivered or that everything was perfect? What did you sign? What did she
Delivered.
sign? Let me see
She did sign the paper that was delivered in good condition.
that it was delivered in good condition.
But
Why didn't you just write, yeah, I'll sign it, and
didn't
then
wanna-
write everything that was wrong? These are not the beds I ordered, this is too high.
I told him the closet is not go, but one closet is not open. How come
Drawers, not closet.
Drawers.
Okay,
I'm
it's all right, yeah.
My mom she's illiterate. I mean, like
Your mom is what?
She doesn't know how to. She doesn't really know how to read or understand what she's reading. So that's why.
Then don't sign things.
Right.
Because otherwise then people are gonna say that, you signed it and you changed your mind, but. All right, let me hand the floor over to you. First of all, she says that the two twin beds are not the beds she ordered. Talk to me about
It
that.
was not the bed she ordered.
So that's correct.
Absolutely. Numerous times I was trying to get in touch, let her know that her beds are not available. Couldn't get in touch. I even sent her from my phone. She did not answer to me.
Okay.
But since I was put on a time frame to delivery, we needed to deliver in exactly on March 18, 2015. I saw that she needs the beds for the beds. So I took the liberty to deliver those beds myself.
With the understanding that she could reject them.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So the beds come, they're not the ones she orders. She contacts you. When did she contact you?
Actually, a few days after the delivery, I received a message that lady calls in crying and asking to return the whole furniture back.
Okay.
That was one of the biggest issue, the communication.
Meaning that you would try to reach her and you couldn't?
Reach her, couldn't, left the messages.
Do you have phone records to show that?
I don't. That's the only
Okay.
thing, we don't record the phone records.
Okay. What were you going to say had you reached her? Let's pretend you reached her. What would you say?
Yes, I reached her
Right.
to confirm that the beds can be exchanged. As soon as we will receive the new beds,
Right.
we will exchange the beds that
Okay.
she has. No any cost
What?
to her.
Okay. What communication did you have with them from March until today, which is many, many months? What did you do to try to resolve this?
I spoke with them, and he said he cannot return it the big bed and two beds. He can exchange it.
He can or he can't?
He can
So
exchange it.
you say you did speak with him directly?
I did speak with him.
Is there another Alex?
No, it's only me. I don't.
I
Okay,
spoke
so
with
you
him.
spoke with him and he told you, I can't do anything about the big bed, but what did he tell you? I can't
He said I cannot do it. Nothing
About the big bed.
Big bed.
Okay.
About the furniture.
Okay.
What
But-
one two bed?
The twins.
The twins bed. But he will exchange it.
Okay,
I said I need another bed also.
Okay.
I cannot use it. I fell twice.
okay.
I fell twice in my stomach, and when I would
How
get
tall
up,
are you?
I don't.
How tall are you?
5'2".
5'2"? Okay.
And I fell in my stomach twice. Once I was bleeding,
Okay.
and it's ridiculous. I cannot
So
sleep
what
no
happened
more.
after that? When you told him that, what did he say?
He said I cannot do it. Nothing in the
Okay.
contract.
Now let's talk
You
about,
sign it.
let me see the contract she signed.
This one.
Did you open and close the drawers to see if they worked when you...
Yes, same moment.
And
Same, the
did they
guy-
work?
No.
Why
I
would you
didn't.
sign something that says that it was in good condition?
I'm very sorry. I'm not educated at all. I didn't go to school.
Okay.
I don't know anything.
Do you
I'm
read
so
in your
sorry.
language?
No.
So if the contract says no refunds, but what's delivered is defective, can you get your money back?
Absolutely, absolutely. You should stand behind your product. So if you deliver something to someone and it's not what you say you were going to give them, you should absolutely.
Yeah, but if I'm the merchant, I'm going to say, hey, I said I'd give you another bed. I'll give you another bed, but I'm not giving you your money back. It says no refund.
No, I think there's other avenues you can go down. Customer service is there for a reason.
Yeah, but I don't want to do customer service. I don't want to give you money back. Do I have to?
I think you should, yeah.
I know you think I should, but do I have to?
Yeah, I don't know. It depends.
See, I stumped him. Going inside the courtroom.
Let me talk to you about this. Are you the one who actually sold her the furniture?
Yes.
Okay. She's 5'2". Okay. And yes, I think that someone who buys furniture should know what she's doing and get the dimensions and measure it off. Apparently, she doesn't mind the room being crowded with furniture. What she minds is that she could put her elbow on her bed. She's 5'2". Did you ever discuss with her that the picture she's looking at might be a little tall for her?
Yes. And matter of fact, she was the one who brought me the picture and said, can you get me this bed?
What do you mean that she brought you the picture?
She had a piece of paper, a picture, that she brought it into the store, said, I would like to have this bed.
Yeah.
Do you have the picture that you brought there?
No, I don't have.
Do you have the picture that she brought there?
I don't have the picture that she brought me, but I have the picture.
Okay, she's saying, I don't want a bed that I have to climb a ladder to. She doesn't like that bed.
I don't want to deal with this
now I
anymore.
understand. Normally I look at them and say, tough, don't buy the bed. She bought it off the internet, you sold it to her, she's 5'2".
I understand
and the
that.
bed is covering the drawer. The mattress you sold her.
Absolutely.
You saw the video, right?
Absolutely.
Because a picture tells 1,000 words. That mattress is too tall, drawer can't open. This stuff is not working. What are you going to do for this woman?
But I did ask her 2 times to come to the store and let's work this. Let's see how it could be done. Maybe we can change the mattress. It could be fixed.
I didn't want
or
it.
if we cannot
Here's the
fix,
thing, let
we
me tell
can
you something.
replace it.
Your side usually wins in these cases because I think that if people are buying furniture off the internet, they need to be extra careful measuring stuff. Okay? But your side's not going to win in this one because you sent her 2 beds she didn't order, and this bed has a million problems with it, including that the mattress covers a thing. So you don't have a right to say, no, you have to now take a smaller mattress because I sold you 2 things that didn't work together. That's not happening. I'm ordering you to return the money, $4,000 verdict for the plaintiff. We'll make arrangements now for you to go ahead and pick up all of the furniture. Explain to your mother what just happened.
Oh. Thank you.
The defendant just learned that he can't just send the plaintiff anything other than what she agreed to buy.
Well, yes, but I disagree with this. And I think clients also have to take responsibility for their action. When they make the purchase, they have to understand what they're purchasing.
Well, she has certain responsibilities that she learned about in the courtroom. And what did you learn about your responsibilities in the courtroom?
I learned that I have to be thinking ahead of what clients think, and
you have to send them what they ordered.
But we did send them what they ordered.
Yeah, well, in this case, not good enough. All right, Follow Officer McIntosh here. All right, come on in here. Congratulations. You won.
Thank you, finally.
Yeah, how you feel?
I feel good. I feel good because it's treating people like that is not good like that.
You think he tried to take advantage of her?
Probably. Yeah. I mean, because I said to him, I'm the single mother, and I don't have the, money like this, and he took advantage.
Congratulations. Harvey?
Thank you so much.
Okay, word to the wise. Before you accept delivery of anything, thoroughly inspect it. Once the delivery guy walks out the door, you are in a pickle. And that will do it for this case. Litigants for the next case on the way into the courtroom right now.